So we've now looked at most of the control statements that are part of the Python language. Let's, in this video, take a look at the break and continue statements, which you can use in the context of your for and while iteration statements, your looping structures. So I'm going to save a little bit of time by pasting in a snippet of code here to demonstrate the break statement. Now, this is just a mechanical example. Normally, you would not use a break statement in this manner, but the basic idea of break is to simply terminate the current loop immediately when the break statement is encountered. So we have a for loop here that appears to be counting for each number in the range 0 up to but not including 100, so 99 iterations of this loop. But we said if the number is 10, break. So when the value of number reaches 10, this loop will terminate. Now if the loop hasn't terminated, we're going to display the value of number followed by a space. So let me go ahead and execute that, and you can see that even though we said to iterate 100 total times, we actually only iterated through the values from 0 through 9 before the loop terminated. Now I'm going to paste in a second example here to demonstrate the continue statement. So similar concept here. In this case, we're defining a for loop that is going to iterate through the values from 0 through 9. And the way the continue statement works is when it's encountered in the body of a loop, it immediately terminates the body of the current iteration of the loop and goes back to the beginning of the loop and starts the next iteration of that loop. So here we're saying we're going to count through the values from 0 through 9, but if the numeric value is currently 5, if number is currently 5, we're going to continue, which will skip this print statement for the value 5. That'll get us back up to the beginning of the loop, and we'll simply move on to the next value in sequence. So instead of displaying the values from 0 through 9, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we skipped printing the value 5 when number was 5 in that particular case.